Your engine didn't die because of bad oil, or a blown head gasket, or neglect. Your engine died because of a 50-cent piece of plastic. Manufacturers know which clip I mean. Dealerships stock them by the thousand, and they fail on purpose. You've never heard of it, neither has your mechanic, until he finds the puddle of coolant under your car. What you're about to see will make you question every service invoice you've ever paid. The average new car in the US cost over $48,000. In Canada and the UK, similar story after conversion. The average engine replacement, $8,000 to $10,000. But here is the truth the industry doesn't advertise. Most modern engines don't wear out. They get killed by cheap parts surrounding them. We are not talking about pistons or camshafts. We are talking about the cooling system. Specifically, one tiny plastic connector buried between your radiator and engine block. That connector holds a hose in place. That hose carries coolant. That coolant keeps your aluminum engine block from turning into a boat anchor. And that connector is designed to become brittle. 20 years ago, engine cooling systems used brass fittings and metal clamps. They cost about $4 to manufacture. They lasted the life of the car. Today, that same fitting is made from glass-filled nylon. It costs 50 cents. It saves the manufacturer $3.50 per vehicle. Multiply that by 1 million vehicles. That is $3.5 million in production savings. But here is the hidden mechanism. Glass-filled nylon hates heat cycles. Every time you drive to work, park, then drive home, that plastic heats up to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, then cools back down. Over and over. The material gets more brittle with every cycle. Around 60,000 miles, it snaps. Coolant dumps onto your driveway, your temperature gauge spikes. And if you don't notice within 60 seconds, your engine block warps. Now you need a new engine. Not because anything major failed. Because a 50-cent clip did. Here is the math the warranty department doesn't want you to see. That 50-cent clip fails at 60,000 miles. Your powertrain warranty ends at 60,000 miles. Coincidence? No. The manufacturer saved $3.50 per car. You now face a $5,000 to $8,000 repair because a 50-cent part failed one day after warranty expiration. Here is the irony. A metal fitting would have cost them an additional $1 at the assembly line. $1 for an engine that lasts 200,000 miles. But they chose the plastic clip. Because planned obsolescence isn't a conspiracy theory. It is a line item on a spreadsheet. The marketing department calls it lightweight thermal management technology. The service department calls it job security. Here is what actually happens at the dealership. You roll in with an overheated car. The technician finds the broken clip. He also finds a warped cylinder head. The repair estimate says $8,000 for a new engine. But the technician knows something you don't. That same 50-cent clip is also available in brass from any AutoZone or Napa for about $3. He could install it in 10 minutes. He could save your engine. Most won't tell you. Because warranty labor pays poorly, and engine replacements pay very, very well. The clip cost 50 cents. The information to save your engine is free, but nobody profits from free. This is not just about one clip. This is the blueprint for modern car design. Every plastic cooling fitting, every timing chain guide made of nylon, every oil filter housing made from composite instead of metal. These are not engineering failures. They are engineered compromises designed to expire just after the warranty does. The industry calls it lifecycle engineering. You should call it what it is, a transfer of wealth from your wallet to their parts department. And here is the absurd part. You can buy a full set of metal replacement fittings online for $60. $60. Install them in an afternoon. Your cooling system then outlasts the rest of the car. But almost nobody does this, because the manufacturer doesn't tell you.